Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Wecash application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device. Then once you open it up, you can tap on the search box and then just type in Wecash to begin your search. Once you find the Wecash application, go ahead and tap on it and you will see the install button. Tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the Wecash application on your device. Just wait until the installation is completed, and once you see the open button, you can tap on it, which will open up the app. Now, once the application is opened up, you can either log into your existing account or sign up to create a new one to start using Wecash and earning right away. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Wecash application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.